Otoez Luxury Car Seat Cover Installation Guide. Front Seat Setup. Install the chucks on the elastic loops, making sure that they rest on the center of the chuck. Pull the elastic loop through the hook, and then pull the hook back through the elastic loop. You will be using 4 chucks and 4 hooks total for the front seat setup. Rear seat setup. After turning the pieces over to access the elastic straps, install the chucks the way you did with the front seat, making sure that the elastic straps rest in the center of the chuck. You will be using 9 chucks total for the rear seat setup. Front seat installation. Remove your car's headrest. Slide the car seat cover over the back of your front seat. Reinsert the headrest through the elastic loops of the car seat cover. Zip the top of the car seat cover close to the base of the headrest. Pull the headrest cover over your headrest and snap the plastic hooks to the base of your headrest. Here's a close-up of the hook snapping on to the base of the headrest. Now insert the chucks into the space between the bottom and the back of your front seat, making sure that it lies flat and catches so that when you tug on the elastic, it won't pull out. Pull the metal hooks at the bottom of the seat cover so that the elastic is tight and the seat cover sits firmly against your seat. With the chucks and hooks installed, adjust the seat cover to fit around your seat snugly. Repeat the same steps for the passenger seat. Rear seat installation. Lay the bottom seat cover down and insert the chucks between the space of the back and the bottom seat the same way you did with the front seat, giving a little tug on the elastic to make sure that it doesn't come out. Insert the top seat cover, pull the elastic over the headrest, and insert the chucks. Repeat the steps for the other side. Grab the centerpiece with the chuck attached and connect it to the 2 bottom seat covers, inserting the chuck the same way. Insert the top center seat cover by attaching the Velcro to the bottom of the left and right top seat covers. Now place the center headrest cover by pulling the elastic over the center headrest. The bottom plastic clips will insert in the space between where your rear seat connects to the car. If you find resistance, try moving the clip to a different part, making sure that the elastic stays tight. You will have 5 bottom plastic clips total to install. And that completes the installation of your Otoez luxury car seat cover.